Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the issue search in rotated sorted array, which is very popular issue in LeetCode, difficult level of medium only. So here we need to find a target in the given array. But the logic here is, but the condition here is that array is rotated array. At some point it is rotated. Actually, this array is sorted array. That means we should have uh, like from start element to end element we should have the values to be higher only, but you can see from 4 to 7 it is fine, but from 7 to it is all down drop to 0. But if you observe, this is actually not the actual array. So 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is the actual array. Here it is provided, this is actual array, but this is rotated at third index. So that's why we are having array like this. So now we need to find, for this kind of sorted rotated array, we need to find the position of the target. So here the classic example, like target is 0 and the position is obviously fourth position. So and the target is 3 and the position is, we don't have any values in in the given array, so that's why the output is -1. That is the same for example 3. So let's directly jump into the solution. Here we are going to use binary search. So binary search, we need to use start and end. Obviously, it is already known to us. So this is the start. This is the end. What I'm going to do, I'm just trying to run a loop, while loop, if start is less than or equals to end. So I'm running a loop until start is less than or equals to end. It should not cross each other. Okay, that is the condition. So then I will find mid. Okay, bind is nothing but dividing the array into two parts and checking whether the element is presented in the first part or second part. That is actually the thing. So to divide it, we need to have a mid. So mid is simply start plus end by 2. And if luckily nums of mid is equals to target, we will simply return target, like the mid, that is the position. Obviously we find the position and we are returning it. And now we are checking whether which part of this array, like you can see one part of the array, when we divided this particular array into two parts. So for this example, 7 is the midpoint and this one is sorted, this one is sorted, but and this one is sorted. We need to check which part is sorted from this one. So we will do it now. Okay, if nums of start is less than or equals to nums of mid, that means the start point is always less than or equals to the midpoint. That means this one is sorted one, and we found that the first left off is the sorted one. Then we are going to check if the target is shading this particular left or not. Okay, if nums of start is less than or equals to target, and target should be less than nums of mid, in that condition, so in that condition our start will be like this only, but our end will become mid minus 1. So I'm not going to check the mid, as I already checked it here. I'm going to check now. I will consider end as 6. In between 4 and 6 I will check. Okay, so mid is equals to, sorry, end is equals to mid minus 1, or else if it is not the case, it is not present in this particular half of the array, then we will shift our start to mid plus 1. Start is equals to mid plus 1 plus 1. That's it. Yes, if we found that this particular target, like this particular first half is sorted, and we found Let's say if we found that it is not right and the right part of the array is sorted, then what is the condition? It's the same thing. We will just check if uh, if mid is presented, like if the target is presented in the right of. So I'm just checking if target is less than mid, and nums of end, like a target is less than or equals to end. In that case, what I will do is I will change the start to mid plus 1, or else simply end equals to mid minus 1. So this is a condition, and once we do all this looping, if we didn't find anything, then and start is greater than end, then obviously we will out of the loop, and at that position we are confirming that this particular target is not found in the given array. Yes. At the time, we will just simply return the minus one for this condition, for these conditions. Let's try to run it. Yes, it's working fine. Let's let's submit it. Perfect. It is working fine. Yes. That's it about today's issue. Search and rotated sorted array. Thanks everyone.